Hi there. In this tutorial we are going to talk about Easyflow's built-in connectors panel. From the Connectors panel second tab, you can find all of the built-in connectors. They are separated into three categories: services, tools, and function expressions. Easyflow's services provide you with the ability to connect and interact with a wide range of sources, whether they are predefined partners in the Easyflow system or not. The most useful services offered by Easyflow are HTTP, RSS, Datastore, Webhooks and Workflows. HTTP connector enables you to communicate and interact with any web services through its get, post, put, and delete methods. Webhooks enables you to listen to third-party events and receive data in real time. This allows you to stay up to date on changes that occur without needing to constantly check the source. Workflow allows you to connect to another workflow that you have previously created. This allows you to easily reuse components of your workflows and makes them more efficient. Datastore enables you to create tables and store data for different use cases, from persistent workflow information to data analytics and visualization. Regarding the tools and utilities, it provides enhanced capabilities to orchestrate and control the logic between your steps to better meet your business needs. The delay connector allows you to add waiting time between your workflow steps, which can help you regulate the flow of your processes. The for loop connector allows you to iterate through a list of data or aggregate individual records into a list. This can be helpful for gathering data from multiple sources or for creating lists of related data. The mapper connector allows you to shape, format, and do any type of operation on your data. It's one-spot placeholder to prepare your data for the next steps in its journey. The variable connector enables you to send input parameters when running your workflows. Additionally, it allows you to persist information and calculated values during the lifecycle of your workflow execution. The function expression provides a powerful and versatile way to work with text, arrays, dates, numbers, operators, among other things. It includes filters, conditional expressions, and converter expressions, making it a powerful tool for data analysis and transformation. Thank you for watching this tutorial.